I'm Jay. I'm a coach and a technologist, and I love maps. Here's a map that I've been working on for years. Every time I visit anywhere around the world, I put a pin in it to show where I've been. It's a lovely idea, but it has its limitations. It's physical. I can't present it. I can't email it to people. I can't put it in my pocket or on my phone. Really, these sort of maps have had their day. So what's the alternative? Nowadays, you can create digital maps. They're great. They're a brilliant way of representing your data. But surely that's really difficult. Truth is, it's not difficult. Creating digital maps from data is really easy. I could show you on this course how to create a digital map out of your data and to do it in only 7 lines of code. And you can do it with no previous coding experience. It's a great learning project for coding because it creates a useful visual output from your code. It's a lot more than a hello world. You'll be able to take your data and create a real working map out of it. So come along on this course with me, have a look, see how it's done.